Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. My today's topic is which one is better, extra mark or Baiju for the children, for the students. Since it is a lockdown, every children is preparing for their exams itself. They are searching for the online courses. They want to purchase some online courses so that they can prepare for their competitive exams and for also the exams, but they don't know which one is better, with which they should go. So today I will explain which one is better, extra mark or Baiju. My last video was on which one is better, Vedantu or Baiju. If you have not seen the video, the link is in the description box and also on the I button. You can go and watch the video. So let's start the today video, extra mark and Baiju, which one is better. So first start with the extra mark. There are some differences in the extra mark which make it better among the others, which are as follows. The first positive point of extra marks is Sanskrit. It is the only online teaching platform which is providing you the classes of Sanskrit. There is no other online teaching platform which provide the online classes for Sanskrit. So it is a very good point for it. Next is Alex. It give answer according to your course. Miss, if you are in a class, if you have purchased the course of class 4th and you ask the question, then it will not give you a high-fi answer. It will give you answer according to a class 4 student, not the answer according to a 10th class student. So it is a very good thing. Means you are a class 4 student and you are getting answer according to class 12, you will not understand anything, but you get the answer according to class 4, you will get everything, you will understand everything. So it is also a very good point of this online teaching platform. Next is adaptive learning. Adaptive learning means react according to your learning. When you start learning something, it will ask you a question. If you answer all the question correctly, then it will move to next topic. If you were not able to answer all the question, then it will not move to another topic. You need to revise that topic again, and it is a very good thing. If one topic is not clear to you, then how can you move to next topic? It is not. It is a very good thing. First you need to learn a topic completely, then need to move next topic. So it is another. So it is also a very good point of this side. Next is its focus is on LPT. LPT means learn, practice and test. Means first you need to learn a topic, then need to practice that topic, and then need to give the test of that topic, and after that you need to move to another topic. This is, we can say, adaptive learning, or you can say LPT model. So it is a very good thing. Of course you need to learn, practice and then give the test, then a topic will be completely prepared. Otherwise you cannot say your topic is completely prepared. And the most important or most positive point of this extra mark is most of the school we visit for our kids claim that they have the smart classes, they have the online classes, their school is smart, and those smart classes of almost all of the school is provided by the extra mark. Most of the school have the tie up with the extra marks. So this is also a positive point of extra marks. You will get same courses in the extra marks and same courses in your school. So it is also a very good point of extra marks. Next is Baiju. Baiju has animated content with a teacher interaction and much higher quality content than the extra marks, because extra marks is a little bit old platform, old online teaching platform. It is the platform which has started, so it is a very old platform, and Baiju is a platform which has, I think, only 4 to 5 year old. It has just started in around 2014 or 12 around. So it is a very new platform. So of course which is new, which that will have the more improved content and more quality content. So its content is little bit higher in quality than the extra marks. But for if you are preparing for NEET or JEE, both are not so much effective platforms. So the conclusion in this video is just go for the 15-day trial period of both of this side, and then decide on this trial on the basis of this trial period which one is better, which is providing more quality content. The next point I want to explain about is Baiju. Baiju tab is very bad. Do not purchase it. Go for your own tab. Next is the negative points of these two online teaching platform. The negative point is in both of these online teaching platform, you need to book a doubt session in advance. It takes a lot of time. You get your solutions, which waste a lot of time. So this is the negative point. And second one is both are expensive. You need to purchase the course of whole year, and which is very costly. So the overall conclusion with this comparison is extra marks is good for exam, but Byju is good for learning. So go learn with the Byju and practice your exam with the extra marks with their test series. So I hope this will help you. Thank you so much.